Here in Sport and Health Sciences, we do research with the aim to prevent or reduce movement problems. Our collective objective is to use our state-of-the-art facilities to identify opportunities to develop simple, low-cost, effective and accessible options for rehabilitation that will hopefully benefit the wider population. And this could relate to preventing or recovering from injury in sport, or maintaining mobility in older adults or people with neurological conditions. We understand that to create meaningful ways of helping people, it is often critical to find out what the cause of the problem is in the first place. And to achieve this, we need a range of equipment that can accurately measure the structure and function of the bones, the muscles, the nervous system, and of course how the brain interacts with these things to ultimately produce our motor performance.
One of our key facilities is this instrumented split belt treadmill lab. The instrumented treadmill has 2 force plates, and this enables us to accurately measure the force between the foot and the ground during each step. The instrumented treadmill is integrated with an optical motion capture system, and this enables us to precisely quantify the movements that people perform. This has a number of really exciting applications. We can understand the biomechanics underpinning running and sprint performance. We could look to identify the characteristics of gait with injuries, and also potentially identify some of the causes of those injuries.
As well as measuring the movements people produce, we use electromyography and ultrasound imaging to take an under-the-skin look at what's happening in the muscles that generate those movements. Electromyography helps us to understand how people are controlling movement by measuring how their nervous system is turning their muscles on and off. Often with conditions that affect the nervous or muscular systems, we see altered patterns of electromyography recordings. We also see changes in the shape, size, and actions of muscles. Ultrasound imaging helps us to take a look under the skin and examine these aspects of muscle function. The facilities we have enable a wide range of biomechanics-focused projects, from those aimed at understanding neuromuscular health problems, to predicting bone health outcomes from people's daily activities, and to the treatment and prevention of musculoskeletal injuries. However, our work here extends beyond the fields of biomechanics and physiology. We also have specialists in a wide range of disciplines, including psychology and clinical sciences, who use the facilities to explore how the brain and body work together.
For psychological research, eye tracking is a really important tool for us. We use it to infer how efficient people are at extracting visual information from the world around them and process this in a way that informs their future movements, whether this is tackling an opponent in rugby or an older adult walking along an uneven pavement. In many tasks, studying eye movements can provide a window into psychological processes that might be causing significant problems with movement. Combining the expertise of researchers from a range of disciplines is crucial if we are to find out what can be done to prevent disease and speed up recovery so people can get back to what they love doing most.